In the realm of urban gardening, the modern rooftop garden stands as a testament to innovative design and aesthetic appeal. At the heart of this contemporary oasis lies a sleek rectangular planter, crafted from brushed silver metallic panels that exude sophistication. This striking modern planter is not just a functional element, it serves as a centerpiece that seamlessly integrates with its surroundings. The planter is a vibrant tapestry of flora, showcasing a diverse array of flowers and greenery. In the foreground, round, spherical green plants create a lush backdrop, interspersed with vivid pink and magenta blossoms that inject a burst of color. Towards the rear, striking red flowers, adorned with delicate fern-like leaves, provide a captivating contrast, elevating the visual interest of the arrangement. Scattered throughout are small, pristine white flowers that add an element of purity to the overall composition. Crowning the planter is a carefully manicured grassy area, elegantly framed by a smooth, curved white wall that enhances the planter's modern aesthetic. This integration of soft landscaping elements further enriches the rooftop garden's design, providing a serene retreat amidst the urban hustle. The surrounding rooftop features warm-toned wooden planks laid out in a meticulous grid pattern, creating a natural contrast against the metallic planter and inviting a sense of warmth and familiarity. In the background, tall coniferous trees stand sentinel along the rooftop's edge, offering a lush, green backdrop that enhances the tranquility of this elevated space. Bathed in bright natural sunlight on a clear day, this rooftop garden exemplifies the beauty and meticulous design that contemporary urban gardening can achieve. The harmonious blend of vibrant flowers, sleek metallic elements, and natural textures showcases the potential of modern planter designs, inviting city dwellers to embrace the joys of gardening at new heights.